In this video, I will show you how to change my default address on Amazon. So if you also want to change default address on Amazon, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. You'll be led to the official website of Amazon from here. You'll be able to shop various products online, so if you want to change the default address, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is look at top right. Over here, you'll be able to find several options right over here. You'll be able to find the option for account and lists. Simply click on the first option, that is Account Now. You can see over here, you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find several options. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for your orders, login, security, prime your addresses, your business account, etc. What you have to do is click on this option, Your Addresses. Now you'll be led to your addresses interface. You'll be able to see all of your addresses over here. Simply select the default address that you want to edit. You'll be able to find two options, Edit and Remove. Simply click on the Edit option that you can see on the screen now. After that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to edit your default address. Simply edit your address according to your choice. For example, if you want to edit the country or region, simply click on the option Country or Region Now. Here, you'll be able to select other country or region like this. You'll be able to edit your address, change the information that you want to update. Here, I'm just changing all the information now. After you edit all these information, all you have to do is click on the option Update Address that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, your default address will be changed. So that is how you change default address